Hello, everyone. Thank you all for joining us today. My name is Caitlin Jackson, and these are my teammates, Catherine Middleton, Sophia Bach, and Lisa Pan. And we're very excited to share with you Get Fit Done, a page-blocking Chrome extension that encourages healthy habits.
As developers, it's easy for us to sit at our desks all day and forget to stretch our legs. My Fitbit vibrates every hour if I don't get enough steps, but it's too easy to forget that vibration. So we wanted to develop an app that would give users a stronger nudge to get up and move around. Funny enough, though, we did not move very much while we were making this app.
Integrating the Fitbit API allows the application to validate users' current step count in real time. Fitbit only allows few applications the permission to request for users' intraday fitness data, which, if was granted, would have given us the minute-by-minute detail. So instead of requesting for data for a certain time range, we dynamically calculated whether the user has reached their goal by storing the data from previous requests. And as for user authentication, we use the Chrome Identity API to generate a redirect URL and start the auth flow to get the OAuth to access token.
We use React to implement the front end and Redux to keep track of the state of our Chrome extension. Redux was a really important aspect of our program because we had a lot of different interfaces and information flowing between the pop-up, settings page, content script, and background. So all of these different interfaces needed to have access to our Redux store. So one of the biggest challenges was figuring out how to have all of these different interfaces have access. So we decided to have our UI pages and content scripts act as UI components, where the background was our application state store. So let's see Get Fit Done in action.
When the user doesn't reach their step goal, the block overlay will tell them what they need to do in order to continue browsing. Fitbit's API limits users to 150 requests per hour, so the extension will refresh every minute to see if they've reached their step goal. Once the user has reached their step goal, the page will re-render unblocked automatically without the user having to refresh the page. We've also given the user many options for customizing their settings, such as whitelisting and blacklisting, and several block modes that can be used either separately or all together. In addition to having the ability to set an hourly step goal, they can also set an all-day step goal or a sleep goal so that they can get to bed on time. We've also given the user the ability to disable the extension during any hours where they don't want to be interrupted.
For future iterations, we're working on implementing the application as an Electron app, which would allow the page block to be full screen without any borders, toolbars, or any of the other graphical aspects of the Chrome browser, giving it more of an absolute block feel. We're also working on integrating Apple Health to expand our user base, as well as implementing a few additional modes, such as tracking their food and water throughout the day. So, if you'd like to try Get Fit Done, you can find it in the Chrome Web Store. If you don't have a Fitbit, that's okay. You can use mobile tracking through the Fitbit's native app. We just wanted to say how much fun we had working on this project together. We're very excited to share it with everyone, so be sure to follow us on Twitter at GetFitDone for any future updates. Thank you.